woko ira na gweche pesa korwa se account go share se CRF accounts nanda effect ya absorption ya Kisii account era 3% effect kigenda ikebwata go share sama gandaro account ya Kisii
de ekero tai ko absorb chibese igenga uno muntu igotete you know enga unabona ekero bwate ama wo share match right litu kondro go share match wasange manja ite ujianda igale mesa igora ari tambarali no endo go share match you can't to share match. So the meaning is kwa hiru chibese ne serikali enene utumie asama gendero kulingana budget kwa ruti. Then kwa manya kumeke magoso kwa genda chibese wajitunde kebengi tuiko chutumia ekera abandi batumire bakuri bakabamekira supplementary basabiri chibese chinde ayo chiao go chibeke chikirete a fund nchiri kwa an interest no chira at the same time amagendero turakora CMC sinjiranyora ene development in the counties abandi bachandegete sukuru turaro ECD classes turaleta development in turakora bintu gende tokora no gukora chi program cyange chinkuru chibe chinde okorosia utumie chibe cia donors. You don't use the money that you have. Then the meaning of that is in the national level yakora kananga aitubwa tiniri tutagitibese because you are not using the money that you already have. Nakina odengenga buno muntu obwate chingeni mugondo buse amauga osialira match every day. What makes you wasialira match is because okwana mambi wasangia manjali yakora ntukiki alire abere drained wasiara yande. But now oso ko ngenda kere tukuwasiara match osangia manja anse kobe swambo korosisiko, so you can't do wasiara match and anymore. But in terms of funding now, the implications of that is one, yakora kananga either inefficiency nero muma itikinto moko korune county muma nyitikendi yons kya moko uchwese muri gutumia yani chwese ngotume chime saro wakana bantu abo wakana chwese nkibako kora. What are they doing? You are paying salaries to people doing what? You are paying salaries to people, they advise you, don't take advice. So what's the purpose of that? It basically means tumanyi tikinto kokora. Yani you are making the technical team advisors, your ministers, your chief officers, your budget teams chonsi pichara kana wantabalisi. Even the people who are kwete chikura amagendro batagiti tuiko bakorera nijiwe senjiro. What are you telling people now? Surely.
Mheshimiwa Asere swali rinde. Is it a time for a Matiang'i presidency ase rogongorwa Kisii?
Omaite kwenye tuwarosi ya very good kwenye tuwachire step ya mutu atambi sana. Nga kiungwae. Because ndu wabwate bintu byalenga okolegas clear omaitenga trade emake ya ekoera sigiti ana aggregate ya pick kurugaiga in education yagendera kujia ekrosi masote gasi it dismantled in English ekonga it dismantled the institutions of governance chons p accountant yo okora gasi ne accountant ika karune clerk na koya advisory ya mne accountant ya professional accountant CPA, you don't take it. Mugwasi they okora gas no mugwasi. I know they might dispute this because now they are under pressure. They cannot want to dig. You don't be surprised, man, because I'm back respond to my interview. Simply because you see now what's happening is they are under pressure. And you know it's understood, you know. Me channel me ngere nse montabu atigas mo no rigas bone pressure ne roro. Aise ku siriga siringa yaguchi. You know, that is understood. So the problem with an absorption is that when you if you look at what happened last time, Mbadi refused. The minister refused to approve an extra coin to Kisii County when the other counties were being given because they don't. I mean, you don't need any more money. Why are we to Kirigari? Mbona wako kumnyang'anyia supplementary budget? You are still what the issues.
Mheshimiwa abuna expert ya governance to trace ko bore maswali kwa Donald Trump to already impact to zile percussion cha chino bagambi bwa ndio taka noko tena chiba chiri cha USAID tena na funding ya emission ya Kenya kwa Haiti nikiora comment igoro ya effect yo bagambi bwa Trump bone ko cha sinze chiri kwa development na Kenya
yani ngonye taigo chikuiturulira aira nense atulie kidogo abwatuke hasa abwatete imechane menene a lot of funding and a lot of programs gusi I mean Kenya, they are donor funded. So the withdrawal of the budgetary provisions choke. Talk about USAID. Talk about WHO, etc, including the World Bank programs, Chomsky, because the US has got that budget there. If all those things are done, we shall have problems. We will have a lot of programs stalled in this country.
Ndege mwalimu kwa tesi yono bogambi bwa Matiang'i nande kuharara kanire wo kwa associate na number 2 tigemeremo. Nki toko kanye kulwa sore.
I'm in the forefront of Matiang'i campaign and I will declare this here today. Ngonyo turi agwe manyaigo no turi kuruma Nyakaruga imi. No turi Nyakaruga kuruma Nyakaruga. Okondro kwando jali na wa munyorongo mwandoje na una Brian yakwana. We are negotiating. Ngusigana. Ngusigana tuli. We must make sure that we go to the negotiating table. Ngatoka negotiating utrasigana. Yoko gando obosa. You must gana. Kwani wewe?
Matiang'i koiro bogambio bwega bwa 2027 nkira tokora mu mugusi.
Mocha muna banta mu mukwane voice yaje mo. Egera abantu bande babasike babobwatisi. Yeah.
Magata question.